Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to see how do you do. But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Meanings: bird, that's a blue bird. Hop, that bird is hopping. Stop, that bird stopped at his command. Tail, a monkey has a tail. Window, my house has windows. Let's read. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. Answer the following questions. Do you see any bird around your school or house? Answer. Yes, we do see a lot of birds around our school and house. Did you try to talk to them? Answer. Yes, I do try to talk to them. Look at the following picture of a peacock. Join the dots and complete the picture. Say these words aloud and talk about the picture. Then tick the right color. It is the picture of a school and it has a roof, a door, windows, walls, floor, plants, and a dustbin. The roof is pink or blue. It's pink. The walls are yellow or red. They are yellow. The windows are green or brown. They are brown. The door is blue or grey. The door is blue. The dustbin is pink or green. It's pink. The plants are green or orange. It's green. The floor is grey or brown. It's grey. This activity is helpful for your color identification. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel All Fun in One.